Do you update your investments based on earnings calls, price targets, acquisitions, real-time news, and analyst ratings? Most likely the answer is no, even though you would like to. And this also includes myself. But what happens if I told you that there's an investment app that takes into account all of this data, then uses AI to suggest investment portfolios that will rebalance the portfolio over time as new data comes in? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, this app already exists and it's called Streetbeat. In this video, we're going to look at how simple it is to utilize Streetbeat's AI and how it can help you make better financial decisions. So let's get started. The Streetbeat app uses AI that offers powerful trading strategies and exclusive data that was once previously reserved for large institutional funds. Now people like you and me have access to these powerful tools to help us invest smarter and can do a lot of the heavy lifting for us. With AI, you can create personalized strategies using advanced generative AI, proprietary data, risk appetite, and your investment goals. Streetbeat not only adapts to the market changes, but also anticipates them. Streetbeat's new AI-powered feature called Smart Pilot adjusts your portfolio based on the market news for more informed decision making. It offers transparency and control with the option to opt in or to opt out. From the home screen, you can see that you have your current investments, and below in the Explore page, you can see different portfolios based on, say, the U.S. Congress buys, top government contracts, U.S. House buys, Energy and Commerce Committee, and Bond Ladder, for example. You can invest directly into these portfolios or use them as an idea to help you create your own portfolio. Above the Explore page section is where the true magic happens with AI. If you click on Designed to Copilot to invest in your idea with daily portfolio rebalancing, you can use AI to create your own custom portfolio based on different ideas and inputs. So you basically just type in any prompt you want and it will do all the heavy lifting for you. So for example, say that since the US Congress trade activities seem to be a very popular topic, you can create a new portfolio based on that. I can say anything along the lines of create a portfolio based on the US Congress trades that are all in the tech industry. Streetbeat's AI will then do all the heavy lifting with taking into account the allocations to optimize results, check available stocks and ETFs, and confirm that it aligns with my goals. It will then add a description and finalize the portfolio for you in the matter of a minute or so. It will present you with 3 different options that you can review by reading the quick overview, seeing the historical performance, and looking at the allocation of the different stocks and bonds. If you would like to make any tweaks to the portfolio, it's as simple as typing in what you want. You can talk back to it to give it feedback or to take other things into consideration. For this example, I asked it to take into account the companies with positive EBITDA and that are based in the US. After you create your new portfolio, you can then watch it and see how it performs over time, or you could choose to invest money into it. The real power with Streetbeat's AI is not only will it create a portfolio, but it will do dynamic rebalancing as new information and new data comes out. Now, imagine if you wanted to create the same portfolio on your own. How much time would this take to even do the initial research on what stocks to even buy and the percentage breakdowns, let alone how much time would this take to actively rebalance this portfolio based on new earnings, news, and analysis. This is where you can truly see how powerful Streetbeat's AI can be with helping you in your financial journey. Well, that's it for showing you how AI can help make you better financial decisions and to help automate your investment journey. Not using AI is like not using the internet. Once you understand its tools and how it can be useful, it unlocks a whole new world. If you're curious on how Streetbeat and its features can help you in your investment journey using powerful AI and exclusive data, check out our other video linked here. Tell me down below in the comments, what investment apps do you currently use? Well, that's it for our video. We'll see you guys in the next one. And this is Kevin, your financial tutor, signing off. Peace. Kevin, financial tutor, is a client of Streetbeat and is compensated based on a fixed monthly fee and user signups. All investment involves risk, including the possible loss of money you invest. The past performance does not guarantee future performance.